mattina mi sono alzato, oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao.
Profesor, soy Nairobi. Empieza el matriarcado.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good in this quarantine mood. For today's video, I'm going to do yet another inspired look. I'm loving this inspired looks lately because transforming yourself into a completely different character is so exciting, and it is much more exciting when it is your favorite character. Yes, I'm talking about my favorite character Nairobi from the show Money Heist. She's bold, she's strong, she's a total badass. This video is also a tribute to her character from my side. I hope you like this video. If you do, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't watched my Tokyo inspired look, then please go and watch it. So without any further ado, let me show you how to get this Nairobi inspired makeup and hair.
The first product I'm using is this Elegant Pro BB cream in the shade Neutral. I'm just dotting it all over my face and neck to have a very light coverage and skin-like natural finish. Next, I'm taking Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige and applying it in stripes under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, forehead, chin and on my inner corners to highlight them up. With a damp beauty blender, I'm just blending out wherever I have put on concealer. For cream contour, I'm taking NYX Wonder Stick in the shade Deep and I'm contouring my nose, making it look thinner but more rounder on the tip. I'm also contouring my cheekbones, my jawline and my forehead for a more sharper look. Next, blending out all the areas where I have cream contoured to give a dimension to my face. Next, taking this Savannah Colors kit and picking this contour shade and applying it while creating shadows to give an illusion of longer and sharper nose like Nairobi has. Also applying it on the other areas where I have cream contour to set them in place. Next, picking up this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Medium to set the places where I have put concealer before and pushing the product in so there is no powderiness left. Next, I'm taking Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate and applying it on the bridge of my nose for some shine. Next, taking Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit and picking this dark brown color. I'm making horizontal strokes in the direction of my hair to make my eyebrows look more thicker and darker, as Nairobi had really thick eyebrows. Next, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Salted Caramel palette and picking this cool brown shade and applying it into the crease and dragging it more towards the outer corner of my eyelids. I'm patting down the same brown shade all over my eyelid and with the clean blending brush blending everything out. Next, picking this black eyeshadow, I am applying it on my upper lash line and smudging it out with a pencil brush. Next, using Wet n Wild Felt Tip Eyeliner, I am elongating my inner corner to give an illusion of having almond shaped eyes. Next, I'm smudging out my lower lash line with the same black eyeshadow. Next, picking this NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Light, I am applying it on my waterline to make my eyes look a little bigger. And again smudging my lower lash line to make it look more smoked out. Picking this champagne shade, I'm applying it on my inner corner to brighten it up. Next, I'm just cleaning up around my eyes to make them pop. Next, using an eyelash curler, I'm just curling my lashes. With Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara, I am coating my lashes couple of times to give them volume and length. For lips, I'm using Pack Lip Pencil in the shade Mauve and lining my lips with it and then filling it in. For lipstick, I'm using Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Mona Lisa and I'm just dabbing it all over my lips for a natural flush of neutral pink color. And my makeup is done here. Now coming on to hairstyle, first I'm detangling my hair with a tangle teaser. Next, I'm making a side partition and grabbing a section of my hair, combing it through and back combing it with a teasing brush. Then using a strong hold hairspray, I'm spraying it on the back of my hair for that volume to stay intact. I'm just repeating these steps on the other section of my hair. On the front, I'm doing the same procedure, grabbing my hair, back combing it and setting it in place. I'm just going to repeat all the steps on the other side of my hair. Next, I'm taking this bump it and placing it right under the front section of my hair. This instantly creates a lot of volume if you have thin hair. Next, I'm just combing this section to the back and pinning it up for now. Then combing the right section of my hair and applying hairspray so that it stays in place. After removing the pin from the back, I'm just combing it through and applying hairspray to keep everything intact. With a fine comb, I am combing through the front section to get rid of any flyaways or baby hair. Lastly, combing it through one more time and my hairstyle is done. And here's the final look. Hope you guys like it. For more such content, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time.